Steering important emails. By steering your important emails, you can easily delete mails that not required. But if you have more than hundreds of mails that required and same number of mails not required, it's too difficult to pick more than hundreds of mails. So you can use the searching bar which was in the upper part. By using it, you can search for sending not required ones and required ones and easily get the idea whether delete or not. There's another use of searching bar by searching word that is important email you can find. In mails, it is divided into four main parts as all, primary, social, promotion. That also will be helped to identify necessary and unnecessary mails. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like this video.